You know that feeling when a certain aroma or song instantly takes you back to your favorite holiday memory? Today, I'll show you how to preserve those precious moments, turning your journal into a time capsule of joy, love, and connection. Holidays aren't just about the gifts or decorations. They're about the traditions that bring us closer to the people we love. For me, Christmas is all about connection, and my family's gratitude dinner is at the heart of that. Imagine this. The lights from the Christmas tree twinkle. Mom's famous sweet potatoes fill the air with cinnamon and nutmeg, and the sound of soft laughter echoes around the table. Someone always brings up a funny story, like the time we'd use the hallway as a runway to model our new clothes. It's those imperfect, beautiful moments that make traditions so meaningful. What about you? What's the tradition that makes your holidays feel complete? Let's explore how you can capture those moments in your journal. Traditions are like anchors. They remind us of who we are and keep us grounded in the chaos of life. Think about your own favorite holiday tradition. What makes it special? Is it the way your family gathers? The recipes you always use? Or the stories you tell year after year? Here's the key. The magic of traditions is in the details. It's the smell of fresh gingerbread, the way the fire crackles as you sip cocoa, or the sound of your favorite holiday song playing in the background. Journaling helps you capture those tiny moments so you can relive them forever. Now, let me show you exactly how to bring your traditions to life on the page. Here's how to start documenting your traditions in a way that feels real and personal. Step 1. Set the scene. Begin with the sensory details. Write this prompt. The tradition begins when... For me, I'd write, the tradition begins when Mom makes the sweet potatoes, filling the room with the warm scent of nutmeg and cinnamon. Dad opens his gift while Mom hums along to holiday music. Step 2. Describe the feelings. Journaling isn't just about the actions. It's about the emotions they create. Write about how the tradition makes you feel. For example, this year the gratitude dinner felt like a warm hug. The laughter was louder, the hugs tighter, and it reminded me how blessed I am to have these moments. Pause here and write 3 sensory details about your favorite tradition. What do you see, hear, or smell? Go ahead. I'll wait. Step 3. Capture the backstory. Every tradition has a beginning. Who started it? Why does it matter? Write about its origins. For example, Mom started our gratitude dinner because she wanted us to focus on what we have, not what we want. That simple idea turned into the most meaningful part of our holidays. Step 4. Reflect on its meaning. Ask yourself, why does this tradition matter? What does it teach you about love, family, or yourself? For example, this dinner teaches me to slow down and appreciate the people around me. It's a reminder that love is in the little things. Now that we've captured our traditions, let's talk about creating new ones that reflect on who you are today. Traditions aren't set in stone. They can grow and change with us. For example, last year, my family added a new twist to our gratitude dinner. After sharing what we were thankful for, We each made a wish for the coming year. It brought a sense of hope and connection that felt magical. Think about a new tradition you could start. Maybe it's baking cookies to share with the neighbors, writing letters of appreciation, or hosting a movie night. Here's a journaling prompt to help you imagine it. The new tradition I want to create is because. Writing about it makes it feel real and helps you give it purpose. Here's a fun activity to try. Create a holiday memory map. Draw a simple outline of your home and mark the spots where your favorite traditions happen. Write a short note at each spot about what makes it special. For example, the kitchen, where the smell of cinnamon fills the air as we bake cookies together. If you'd like, share one spot from your map in the comments. I'd love to hear what makes your holidays magical. Holidays are about connection, and journaling helps you hold on to those connections forever. If this video inspired you, give it a like, share it with someone who loves the holidays, and explore more videos on my channel for even more journaling inspiration. Next time, we'll dive into gratitude in action, writing about loved ones. Bring a photo of someone special to our next session, and I'll show you how to turn your feelings of love and appreciation into meaningful journal entries. See you in episode 3.